July 4th. July 4th. Hope I don't lose my damn. July 4th, Marion, Indiana.
Build it on.
We with Tana and my girlfriend Caitlin.
What did you just call me?
My girlfriend Caitlin. They call her Miss Sucktacular. So, she's a wrestler. That's her wrestler name. So she's a diva. So don't.
Look at those.
She's my favorite wrestler too, by the way.
Oh shit! Why did that?
There's Cornerstone. Respect. Pray for all the people upstairs.
Cassidy's that way, so.
Just go left here. Why did? I remember I was up here. I remember up there. Oh, we still have to come over here.
No, I was saying what? LD room 3. Where the fuck is that?
So yeah,
Where?
our friends, I think, is in Cornerstone. So prayers. Hope she's gonna be all right. This will be a couple parts of video. There goes the fucking damn thing.
Where the fuck are you?
Check a little break. Oh shit, I can't do
Oh,
that.
Denia!
Look at that. I'm trying to think of my shit. Fuck.
I'm gonna keep calling you.
We'll see what happens when we do this.
Is there a room called LD something in there?
I don't know. We are not even going over there, so what the fuck's the issue?
Hey!
I'm trying to...
Okay, where are you at?
Tell them we're leaving.
Labor delivery room 3. We were just up there. Why didn't you tell me? Damn it!
Oh, wow. Jeez. Don't beat yourself over it.
Well, we were just on the 4th floor.
Are you fucking me?
I will get you some more.
No, I know, but come on. Yeah, see, here we go. The Adventures of Slam, and then... My God. God.
All I'm doing is dropping us off, dude. Calm down.
I know, but it doesn't matter. Oh, I'm chilling out, alright. I'm stoned. I'm chilling out. Making a video for 4th of July, trying to see some fireworks, but nope, not this year. Well, Cam will be out here to talk to me, so.
I'll be right back. Unless you want to go away so I can faster.
No, you better. No, it's your turn. You're the challenge. Just please. Look at the time.
Okay. It's fine. Shut the fuck up.
To be continued. Oh shit! There it goes. Let it go down again. Shit. I'll just hold my camera like that. We're at the hospital. What?
Don't even piss me off. Seriously,
What? Yeah, my girlfriend's kind of pissed off. This is July 4th, guys. There's our fireworks. We're supposed to go to Gas City fireworks, but I don't even know where the fireworks are. There's one up there. See the little red light thing up there. What is that? All right, we're gonna see if we can get up there. Here she comes. Shit. This is also gonna be the first experiment on Power Director when I get to download the app. So this is gonna be the first slam venture.
I swear to God, I will throw that out the fucking window. Stop! I can't see.
Talk to you guys later. Cheers.
Let's go. Where's the online? I don't.
Washington Street. Good God, it's a war zone. Fuck off, you fucking bastards. They're throwing us. We're in war. Good God.
Oh, we need some fireworks right now.
Shit, there's nothing going over here. I can't see over here. Washington. The wind's taking over the power.
Turn that fucking light shit off.
Well, I guess see, damn
I
it.
don't care. Put it out the fucking window. Pisses me off.
I'm not trying to lose my phone. There it is.
Oh, there it is! The big nut! Ah! Oh my god, look at that shit right there. Only on Slam Venture.
What are you laughing over here, Missy? Driving?
Over there, Sam.
I can't look because of his fucking blanket.
The blanket? That one don't go down?
No, don't even push it.
Don't even push it. Okay. I already did though.
Thanks for the show.
I'll fix it. Oh, there we go.
There it goes there.
Shit! There was a car.
I got a fucking wreck at Howard's old grandma and grandpa's house. There's the meter load. Put up here.
What the fuck is in the middle? Oh.
Yield. There's the yield
I
corner.
was like, what the fuck is in the middle of the road? Look, they're in the middle of the road, lighting up right there.
Splash house.
Bartledale!
There's a splash house on that side. You can't see, it's too dark. McClure's. Oh shit, we got somebody up here. Just speeding. Shit. What's that? What did you fucking shit? What's the shits? It's the speeding warfare of the winds and the shits. Shits.
No. Are we gonna make it? Is there another gas station before we get to Gas City?
Why?
Is it 15 miles to
Oh
Gas
god,
City?
it's almost, we're almost close to Gas City. I mean, we're almost close to fucking damn, yeah, you have to go right though. Right, yeah, right, for gas.
I'm saying.
There's a gas station right here.
Okay, because she's got 15 miles.
Well, she's gotta go now, because the gas station's right here.
Gas station.
Right here on the right. We're just,
Which side is it on? Open left. It's on your side.
should we go? Gas station. Getting some gas. Heading to Fairmount, or to Chuck E. Cheese fireworks session.
Alright,
so.
Sam, get out and pump the gas.
Shit,
He
fuck
doesn't
that.
fucking do this shit. He's the man. He does.
Fuck shit. Look at this shit. What the fuck? Fuck, we can't see shit. God damn it.
Hold on, chill.
Yeah, but this fucking window wouldn't be a bitch.
I'm sorry, honey. Well, we're gonna go to.
God. Oh.
Yeah, I said you want to meet at your house. You just got here.
You need to call on the phone.
I don't have his fucking number.
Facebook call.
He was active 34 minutes ago.
Well, that's when you call. They answer it.
Do you have his number?
No.
Here.
Oh my God. You answer. Here, give it to 10.
You know him better than I fucking
10 has been. Oh, the shit. There's a war going on here. We got.
What's going on here?
Tell them what. Like, we just got here.
There's fucking cops.
There's cops everywhere. Oh, it's people fucking walking. Oh. At least you'll hear a fucking noise show. Oh, damn, we got shit. Damn it. Oh, God. Star Wars and Marion. My God, can you see some action? Shit. God damn it. Fuck me. It's a loud ass. Damn it. Now we're in deadly. Alright, come on. Sorry for the shitty quality, but I don't care. If it's going on right now, shit.
Is he coming to the house? I don't know. Fuck.
God, see? People need to answer the phones.
Fuck up, honey. You're driving me nuts. should have brought your shit with you. Oh my god, are you okay? Jesus.
We're here. We're on, I don't know, Street, 10th Street. I don't know where we're at. We are in Jonesboro. Yeah, here we go. Here's the line. Look at this. The line from, with the traffic. The traffic from down. You know what? We're going to put it up there.
Sorry, we got to see it.
Oh, well, that's it. All right, we missed it. Well, I guess we missed it.
Oh,
We're going to go the opposite way from this shit.
fucking holy fuck.
Traffic. Look at all this traffic right here.
Look at all this trash cans. Me and that person on the side of the fucking road.
Give it up for Big Willie.
Oh my god.
Davey.
Fuck up.
Jim Davey. It's 4th of July, babe. Look at all that shit. Look at this shit. This is a parking right here. You can't really see shit. We're gonna put the flash on. See,
What are you gonna tell him?
look at this shit.
I don't know. What do we want to do?
Look at all this fucking traffic. It's not even on. Or it is on. People are like, oh, don't videotape me. My little fucking...
I'm sure they're
It's-
going back to the fucking house.
Yeah.
So just turn around and go back to the house?
Yeah.
Turn around and go back to
Just
the
turn
house.
back and we'll go back to the house.
Turn that fucking
We're trying to go to
shit
my
off.
friend's house so we can meet up and chill for a little bit because I'm not staying up till 4 o'clock in the fucking morning.
Oh my god. Nobody said you had to. Holy fuck.
She's really mad.
I'm really
It's the time of the
irritated at
month.
you all fucking day. You've been an asshole.
I know. I know. So, yeah.
He's turning.
I
No,
think
they're
we're
turning,
gonna-
so you can go. Go back.
We're going to end this video. We'll see you later. Cheers. How do you turn this off? Oh. Big old poopy.
I got shot. I didn't even